What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video. Now, I'm making this video today because, I mean, this is almost as an extension of a video I made 2 videos ago of something that broke in my car that's going to cost me $1,100 to fix, which if I would have fixed this thing before it broke, it would have only cost me $300 to fix, and I could have fixed it myself. Now I have to take it to a shop, and they have to just redo my entire air conditioning system, and just for me telling that, it is my compressor. It failed just about 2 weeks ago. I haven't got it fixed yet. I am trying to get some finances in order just because it's $1,100 to fix, and you know, $1,100 out of the blue, I mean, that's not cool, but I'm definitely getting it fixed next week. One of my buddy's shops actually hooking me up. It's going to be, like I said, $1,100 to fix, but some people have sent me messages on Instagram telling me that, you know, for them, it's cost them, one guy said $1,800, one guy said right at $2,000. Now, these guys, they went to the dealership to get theirs fixed, which when you go to this dealership, I'm not sure if they're going to give you any kind of warranty or anything. The shop that I'm going to, they're giving me like a 6-year warranty, so if anything breaks on this again, I just take it directly to them, and I get a brand new AC system. Now, for me, mine broke at 98,000 miles. I was just driving down the road, and my air conditioning went from cold, like super cold, to medium cold, to just blowing warm air. Immediately then I knew something was wrong, and I was hoping it was something as far as, you know, I was low in Freon, but no, when I stopped, looked at my compressor, there was a little bit of oil under the compressor, so that told me right away that the compressor is bad, which when the compressor goes bad, usually it sends metal shavings all throughout the system, which is going to, you know, clog the little tiny passageway that's in the compressor, the condenser, and then, I mean, it can just mess up a lot of stuff, basically your whole AC system. So for me, I have to replace my entire AC system minus the hoses. So I mean, hey, yeah, I'm getting a new AC system out of it, but I really just wish I would have replaced the compressor. So if y'all have a high mileage car, go ahead. Think about, you know, changing the compressor, because it can go from a, you know, a $300 repair, you know, a proactive repair, versus a, you know, anywhere from $1,100 to $2,000 to repair. So I wish I would have known that it was about to go out, because I just would have went ahead and replaced it myself, which from what I'm reading, it seems like the compressor's failing these Coyotes from anywhere from 90 to 120,000 miles. So I'm just making this video just to let y'all know that if you're climbing in miles, go ahead and just replace your compressor. But I'm gonna go ahead, edit this video, then go to the gym. But if you've had to replace your compressor on your Coyote or whatever car you're driving, let me know what kind of car it is and what mileage you're at, just to give other people watching this video a little bit of a reference to, as you know, where you might want to replace your compressor. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.